In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set a product price on Gumroad. First, open Gumroad in your browser and log in to your account. Once you are inside your dashboard, go to the product section from the left sidebar. Here you can either create a new product or edit an existing one. If you want to create a new product, click New Product and choose the product type such as a digital product, ebook, course or membership. After that, enter your product name and continue to the product editor. Now scroll down until you find the pricing section. Inside this section, you can enter the exact amount you want to charge for your product. You can also choose your preferred currency such as USD, EUR or another available option. If you want more flexibility, you can enable the option called Allow customers to pay what they want. This lets buyers pay more than your minimum price if they choose to support you. You can also enable installment payments for eligible products and automatically apply discount codes if needed. For memberships or subscription products, you can set monthly, quarterly, yearly or custom recurring pricing plans depending on your offer. Once you finish setting your pricing options, click Save and Continue at the top right corner of the page. If your product is ready, click Publish to make it live for customers. And that's how to set a product price on Gumroad. Thanks for watching and goodbye.